You are going to love the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.